Carlos, tell us, how much experience do you have programming?
None.
But you know how to program in C.
No.
Okay. But you know how to do like ladder logic for PLCs.
I do not.
Okay. How about easy pneumatics programming? Have you done this before?
Nope.
So today is the first time ever that you'll be programming in easy pneumatics.
Yes, sir.
And you're not just saying that because I asked you to say that.
Nope.
So we've established that neither of us know how to program anything.
Correct.
Our company, we want to figure out when these parts fail, so we want to cycle test it a billion times. And that we're going to build that in real time, so you see how long it takes to teach someone how to program with easy pneumatics and then to build a program. So we've got this timer right here. I just started it, right? So there's the timer. Hopefully that's in focus.
Try number 2, starting. There you go.
Success! Success! All right, so total time elapsed 17 minutes and 15 seconds. No programming experience whatsoever. In under 20 minutes, learned how to program, created a program, identified an error, corrected the error, reran the program, and everything works great now.
Pretty straightforward, really easy.